How's it going, guys, and welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I thought I'd bring you an updated version of my tutorial on how to get stretched res in Fortnite on Xbox One. And this also works for other games as well, so if you want to use it for other games. I currently don't have Fortnite installed, so I can't actually show you in-game gameplay, so don't rip me apart in the comments. I'll be showing you Apex Legends instead, but this is the #1 way to get it for Fortnite, and it will work. So remember, this is not legit stretched resolution. This is a mimicking version of stretched resolution. There is no native way to get stretched res on Xbox One. I just want to make that clear. The only native way to do it is on PC, and Xbox doesn't have a direct way, so we're going to do a workaround here. Okay, so step 1, I'm going to make this really easy to follow for you guys. Go to settings, go to the little gear icon, click settings. Okay, next you're going to want to scroll down to display and sound. I'm going to click video output. From here you should see it's either on 1080p or 720p, whatever. Mine was on 720. I'm going to switch it to 1080. So this should be your normal resolution. Then you want to go to video fidelity and overscan. So it's going to be on auto detect. Next, you want to click the input manually. You should know what this is. If you have an HDMI plugged into your TV, then you want to hit HDMI. If you have DVI like I have, you want to click DVI. So once you click this, it's going to like reset your resolution to the lowest possible on Xbox. Now in my previous tutorial, I said you had to like hold down the Xbox and eject button. For this, you don't have to do that. This is way easier. So I'm going to click DVI because I am on DVI for my monitor. Just want to make that clear. It's on auto detect. I'm selecting DVI. It's going to say you're going to override this. You're going to click use manual settings. So that's all good. It's going to go dark. Now it's going to look all blurry and stuff. I'm going to show you a quick fix on how to make this slightly better. This isn't going to fix it dramatically, but it will help a little. For bits per pixel, for my monitor, I can't go any higher than 24, but if you have like 30 or 32, make sure to click the highest one. And for color space, it's going to be on standard. You want to switch this to PC RGB. That's just going to help a little with detail, and I'm going to click switch anyway. So it's not going to help a lot, but it will help a little. So as you can see, everything's kind of blurry. Can't do anything about this. You're gonna have to deal with it. That's why it's at the resolution of 640 by 480. Remember, this is a mimicked version of stretched res. This is not legit stretched res. Just want to make that clear. So yeah, now I'm gonna cut away and show you some Apex Legends gameplay on what this looks like. Okay, guys. So as you guys can see, I have a slightly higher field of view on Apex Legends. I can see a bit more to my left and right, and sadly the quality is not amazing, but you have to deal with that if you want to play on this setting. So just a reminder, this does work for Fortnite, and that's probably what I'm going to title the video, just because it's more search topic. And yeah, so games will still run smooth. There'll be no drop in frame rate or anything. Xbox games stay locked at 60 FPS. If I could kill this guy. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. So yeah, they stay locked at 60 FPS, so you won't have any issues of frame rate here, and your quality will just be suffering slightly. So use it as you want. Obviously, oh, I got a kill there. This isn't the best experience, but if you want that little extra field of view, make sure to go use this, because you can see slightly more left and right, and there will be black bars on the top and bottom. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something useful on how to use stretched res on Fortnite, and as well as Apex Legends and any Xbox game. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave that, smash that like button, help spread this video for those who are wanting to do this. Oh, got another kill. Okay. And yeah, go follow me on my social media, guys, and go check out my merch store. And yeah, use my Amazon affiliate links down below if you want to buy anything on Amazon. That helps support the channel. And go check out my podcast linked below, Life Made Easy podcast. Do some fun discussions on there and stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Leave me video suggestions down below and your comments on this video.